And then when it's then you probably have to go on, learn more about cashiers and those rules, that was still, so on and so forth. You have to finish that pathway or something like that. Or grown training, whatever it is, right?
Well, I put on my application, everything says. I put the days on it, down. So when we ever go to but the days like 6, 16, after that, I'm not taking
Caution. Bus moving right. Pedestrians look both ways. Caution. Bus moving right.
Azalea Avenue and West Seminary.
I was asking about it, sometimes I had
Bus moving right. Pedestrians look both ways.
yeah, that's why I'm getting up early in the morning. 6 or 7 o'clock.
Yeah. I just tell them, you know, I have an application to 10. They should probably go ahead and take you to 9. They should probably do something like that.
Yeah.
I go up right there and walk down.
I know that's
They didn't get it till like 7.
Chamberlain and Azalea Avenue.
Pedestrians look both ways. Caution. Bus moving right. Pedestrians
Standing on bus steps while the bus is in motion is not permitted.
yeah, but that's why I said in your
They don't really have nobody to put it. I mean, you can get it when they just put it everywhere.
so that's why I said, like, you know, just between 7 and 8 o'clock, right? If you can, or come if you're on a lunch break, walk over there, but like you said, sometimes I be called, I can't